Yeah, I just wanted to do a follow-up video real quick of the Yamaha CR-820 in the cabinet. I just cleaned the cabinet with some furniture polish. Not polish, but cleaner polish. The orange glow stuff's what I use. It works really well. Also, a little less lighting now. I closed some window shades so you can see a little bit closer idea of what the lighting looks like on these. Except there's not a whole lot of backlight on the major display like a Pioneer or something. But it's a very nice looking unit. This particular one's in really good condition as far as cosmetically, especially in great shape. Somebody took really good care of this beauty. I'm not actually running sound through it right now. I'm running sound through another Pioneer that I have over here. I just powered this one back up just to make this short little demo. You can see a divot in there. Somebody really put some weight on that sucker and drug it right across. But anyway, that's it. The Yamaha CR-820. It's a beauty.